Hello, Joel. What are you doing out here today, man?
Flying out from a plane.
Nice. This is the first time jumping for you?
Yep.
Any special occasion for coming to jump today?
No, just to have fun.
Awesome. And who do you have out here to make this jump with you?
Myself, Josh.
Awesome. We're gonna head out there in a few minutes. Anything you'd like to say to those back home watching this video?
No, just watching the
We'll see you out there. Have fun. Pedro! Can I give you a hand on up? Oh! So tell me, what do you think of that?
Beautiful. Amazing.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
When he puts the parachute up.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
You think it's something you'll do again in the future?
Oh yeah.
Hey, thanks for coming to Skydive DeLand. Awesome job.